There are 31 letters in the Kurdish alphabet. 8 of these are vowels and 23 are consonants. Now let's see these letters in order. A, like the sound in the word sun. B, like bowl. J, like jar. Ch, like the sound in the cheese. D, as in day. E, as in egg. E, this letter doesn't exist in English. It is found in the French word été, été. F, as in fish. G, as in garden. E, as in open. E, as in sleep. H, like the sound in the word happy. J, as in measure. K, as in kid. L, as in lion. M, as in mother. N, as in name. O, as in dog. P, as in pen. Q, this sound exists in Arabic qaf like K but more behind on the soft palate. R, as in red. S, as in sea. Sh, as in shirt. T, as in table. E, as in bull in the US pronunciation. U, as in book. V, as in village. W, as in water. Ch, this sound exists in German word Bach or Loch. Y, as in yellow. Z, as in zero. Now let's talk about one or two important issues related to Kurdish letters. In Kurdish, the letter E doesn't appear before the letter Y. If there is an E before the letter Y, it is written as E, but is still pronounced as E. Let's make some examples to make it more clear. For example, in the word Jian, there is an E sound before Y. However, according to the rule, we write E here, but we still pronounce it as E. Other examples might be as follows: Diyari, Gia, Gia. Kurdish Y sometimes appears as a buffer consonant. When a word that ends in E takes this buffer consonant, the final letter E turns into E as a rule. For example, Ronahi, Ronahiye, Pchukahi, Pchukahiye. The English letters Q and Kh also appear in Kurdish alphabet. However, their pronunciations are different in the Kurdish alphabet. For example, Kh, Khzan, Khizm, Q, Qashmer, Qarebalikh. You can download the PDF page and exercises we have prepared on this subject from the description section. Don't forget to subscribe if you find this content useful. See you.